In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vertical line in Google Docs. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. At the top, click Insert, then choose Drawing and select New. This opens a clean drawing canvas, which is the easiest place to create and format shapes and lines before adding them to your document. Inside the drawing window, look for the Line tool in the toolbar. Click it to activate it. Now click and drag on the canvas to draw a line. Don't worry if it comes out slanted at first, that's normal. You'll see small blue handles on the ends of the line and a small circular handle slightly above it. That circular handle is the rotation control. Click and drag that circle to rotate the line until it stands perfectly upright. If you prefer, you can also hold the Shift key while drawing or rotating to snap the line to exact angles, which makes getting a true vertical much easier. With the line selected, customize its appearance so it stands out the way you want. In the toolbar, open the Line Weight menu labeled in pixels and choose a thickness. A higher number means a thicker, bolder line, a lower number keeps it subtle. Next, adjust the line type. You can make it solid for a clean divider or choose dashed or dotted for a lighter, more decorative look. These options help you match the style of your document, whether you're separating sections, building a two-column layout, or highlighting a call-out area. Take a moment to adjust the height of the line by dragging one of the end handles. Make it as tall as you need for your page layout. If you plan to align it with text or other elements later, it's fine to keep it a bit longer for now. You can always refine it after you place it in the document. When you're happy with the line, click Save and Close. The drawing will drop into your document as a single object. To move it, just click and drag it into place. If you need to fine-tune the line later, select it and choose Edit to reopen the drawing window. There you can change the angle, weight, or type, and then save again. You can also resize the entire drawing box in the document to scale the line proportionally, or keep editing inside the drawing to adjust its exact height. And that's it. You've created a clean vertical line in Google Docs, customized it, and placed it exactly where you need it.